An LG G5 in here right now. You can hear, but it has to be the most repairable smartphone of all time. So you can remove the battery using by pressing the button here. Just pull it like this, and that here battery. Now to the removal of the back cover. Yeah, it will really humble. Remove the SIM tray, of course. And there are two little Philip head screw in the bottom, on the bottom, of course. After that, we can flip over and you have a fingernail or any pry tool with pressure with care to remove the phone from the back. To remove the back cover, obviously. And boom, that's it. We finally removed the cover for the first time. Yeah, I covered the IMEI anyway. Now to put it back, just push, just a little bit of push here. Yeah, you're gonna start on the corner. Just be careful what you're doing here. Make sure not to crack the screen, otherwise. And then reinstall everything. Reinstall your screw. Ooh, not that. But hopefully there are no pin on that area. Yeah, a little bit of view in here. Quite cool. Reinstall the SIM tray. Reinstall the battery of core. And that's it. We finally get it working again. How cool that, right? And that finally boot to the OS, of course. And finally, to see the lock screen again. Anyway, that's all for